Hello everyone. I'm here today because I want to talk to you about a zine swap. Now first, what is a zine? And most of you know because we have been making these in my Sunday live streams since the first part of the year. This is a little zine I made, I think last Sunday. No, couldn't have been. Anyways, it's been a while actually that I made this one. This is a little self-published, handmade book. Now, there's lots and lots and lots of ways to make a zine, but the way we are going to make our zines for our swap is to first make our images on a single sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. Then we are going to take this to the copier and copy it. Now we are going to swap 6 zines. So you want to make 7 copies so that you have 1 to keep for yourself. We're going to copy 6, have 6 to share and trade, and we're going to keep 1 for ourselves. So let's back this out just a little bit if I'm going to start folding this piece of paper. How we take and fold this piece of paper, I've showed this many times in my live streams, but I'm going to show you now. Again, you fold it long or hot dog fold. You open it up and you fold it the other way, which they call hamburger fold. You know, it's supposed to be long and skinny or shorter and fatter. That's the plan. Then you take a cut edge, and this is the folded edge, and you fold this one back towards the folded edge, one at a time. Do not do them both. If you do them both, there's extra paper in the way, and therefore the folds don't crease as nice. You flip it over and you take the other side and fold the cut edge to the folded edge, like so. Then you open this back up, and on the fold that goes from the folded edge to this point, you cut. And then when you pull this out, pinch this and push, everything just kind of folds up like so. Now I go in with a glue stick and I glue the back 2 little corners together. That one's already folded, so we don't have to glue it. And then inside there will be 2 little folded corners, and I glue those together too. It just makes for a neater folded zine. When you bring the cover around, this is a folded edge, and sometimes you have to adjust it just a little bit. And there we have a cute little self-published book. Now, what are we going to do to swap? I told you we're going to make 6 of these little copies. We're going to have them all nice and neatly folded up. We have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? One of the things you have to do when you go to mail me something is to make sure that it doesn't get thicker than a 1/4 inch. If it does, it will not go through the machine, and therefore they will charge you extra to ship it. So we're going to put 6 zines in our envelope. And then we are going to include a self-addressed stamped envelope. Now, 6 zines is right about a little less than 2 ounces, so we're going to have to pay for 2 ounces. If it is machinable, you have to have 2 types of stamps, a regular stamp and an extra ounce stamp. But if you just put 2 stamps on, your return address envelope we should be good. If this gets thicker than 1/4 of an inch, it has to go as a package, and that's almost $3, $2.90 some cents. So please make sure that it lays in your envelope. Don't use a little tiny envelope and pile them up, because that's going to be more expensive to ship. So we have 6 zines in there, and we are going to put our self-addressed stamped envelope in there. Okay? And then we are going to get these mailed to me by May 15th. Okay? Let me bring that in. May 15th. We need 6 zines and a self-addressed stamped envelope. Okay? Now I'm going to switch them out. I'm going to swap all the zines around. May 15th, 6 zines, self-addressed stamped envelope. If I do not have them by May 15th, they won't be swapped. Okay? I'll just send your own back to you. May 15th is plenty of time. You're going to have a month to do this. Please make sure you get them to me by May 15th. 6 zines and self-addressed stamped envelope. Please make sure your envelope lays flat. Okay. I hope. Oh, if you want, to send this to me, if you don't already have my address, please, down in the description box below, there will be an email. All you have to do is email me, tell me you want to participate in the Zine Swap, and I will send you my address. My address is listed in the addresses in the group, and the group, the Facebook group is also listed down below. So please, I hope a bunch of you are going to want to play. We're having a lot of fun this year with these zines, and I hope to continue it. I'm real excited about it. I'm hoping everyone else is, and I hope it stays that way. So let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and figure out what my next thing to do is. Think of all the beauty that creative people have brought into the world. Now imagine how much more beauty is just waiting to be born. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.